Hello friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Friends, my today's video is easy, unique and creative in itself because in this video I'm going to share a wide variety of design ideas that how you can design your dresses with the art of hand embroidery, needlework, stitching patterns and many more creativities related to hand embroidered shirts, hand embroidered necklines. Very beautiful and pretty and at the same time easy and elegant designer patterns of boatneck embroidery designs for dresses, shirts, kameez, kurtis, gowns, jalebia, abaya, bodycon dresses, and any type of normal everyday wear, casual wear, formal wear. So I hope that you are liking my today's ideas. The unique blend of beautiful colors along with a very easy and decent color combination of threads make these very beautiful patterns of neckline more creative and attractive. Some basic embroidery stitches like stem stitch, fly stitch, chain stitch, Brazilian embroidery, French knots, some twisted turns, and some simple basic satin stitch, lazy daisy, and along with the usage of beads and pearls, the embroidery patterns are made more creative, elegant, and fancy. So all of these design patterns are absolutely favorable for designing your summer dresses. If you have already in use plain color dresses, shirts or fabrics, you can also embroider these patterns onto your already in use shirts to give them a new more creative look. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share